I bought a bunch of shit. I just got out the shower. I mean, actually, I don't look too bad, but should I put on makeup? I just got out the shower. Let's take the hair down. It's the internet. Of course, I should put on makeup. You can put makeup on a homeless man and he's still a homeless man. That's how I feel right now. Okay, anyway. Wait, pause. Okay, so the first thing that I got were these like pink yoga pants, and they definitely do not look like how they did on the model. They feel really thin, really cheap. They kind of remind me of like pajamas I used to wear as like a kid, like fake, silky, satiny. Like they feel like they'll just slide right off. They're see-through. Probably see almost cellulite. Okay, we're not gonna do that. The band is like, I don't know, it just feels very cheap and terrible, and I hate them. And I was looking for like thick, like biker shorts I could wear to like work, and these feel like, it feels like I'm wearing nothing. Okay. Stop! The next thing I got was this dress. It looked a lot cuter on the other girl, and shorter. Stop it! It goes up on the sides like this. Oh, maybe that's why it looks short on her. Yeah. Stop, you crazy animal. He's gonna try to climb up my leg to get these strings. I think this is cute. You can make it however length you want, but I got it in a medium. I think it's a little too big, but cute. Okay, I kind of like this one. I don't know where I would wear it. I have to lose some weight first, but slay all day. These are some shorts I got. They go down, you make them longer. They tie up. You can tie them and make it cute. Ignore all the bruises on my leg. I'm not getting beat. I work where I push wheelbarrows all day, and they hit against my legs. I work at a horse boarding facility, but that's just what I tell people. I'm really just a glorified shit shoveler. So if you want to support me so that I don't have to shovel shit anymore, you can send me thousands of dollars. My Cash App. Anyways, yeah, so these are cute. I mean, I would probably sleep in them. I wouldn't go use them for sports. They're also, you know, cheap material. They're cute. So these are a pair of leggings I bought. They also feel like the same material. Feels just like a really cheap, like, you know, when you're a little kid and you buy like those Halloween costumes and there's like that fake silky feeling to them. That's what it feels like the cheap Halloween costume feeling. But they're cute, so I don't know. I might rock these somewhere one day. I got these in the medium. I would say their stuff runs. These and the other pants were big for mediums, I think. So I would probably go with a small. My pant size is like a 5 or a 7, between a 5 and a 7 usually. So, and these were mediums, and I say they feel pretty big. Okay. This one is just another workout shirt. This one's actually my favorite. It just feels like a tank top. It feels good quality. Well, I don't like this one. Another tank top, but the mesh in the back, which I like. Now these shorts I like. They feel good, they feel tight, they don't feel like that other weird material, and they cute. They got some lace right here. I'll be out looking like that. Yes. Approved. Cindy approved. Next I got this swimsuit. Super cute. It's got the little tie straps. I'm gonna be laid out like, where's your dad? And then I got this cover up. Yes, and these sunglasses. And I'm so surprised because they're sunglasses. They're like $3, $4, $5. They came with these super nice cases. Got a bunch of them. I got these sunglasses. These ones. Can you tell I like big square sunglasses, even though it doesn't look like they like me. So I might have to give some of these away. And this is the other cover up I got. I obviously probably wouldn't wear this with the swimsuit. I'd probably wear it with an outfit, but it's still super cute. You can't tell, especially when I twirled him like this. Okay, let's move on to the rest of the nonsense I bought. Lashes. I thought these were cute, so hopefully they look cute when I put them on. More lashes. Can you see them? Whatever. These beauty blenders. I thought they were the big ones. These boys are so tiny. Like, they're just like little... Release! They're all just so tiny. I thought they were the big ones because it was like, oh, 10 beauty blenders. And they look big in the picture. They probably look big here, but they're like that big. One of the little, oh wait, razors. Not important. I don't know why I bought this. It's a nail cutter. These are the things that you use to pop your pimples. I don't know. I just really like Dr. Pimple Popper, so I wanted to pop pimples too. One of these things that holds your hair back when you do your wash your face that all the Korean girls wear. And so when you wash your face, you just put this on to hold your hair back out your face so you can get to it and look adorables at the same time. And then I got 2 pairs of leggings. This one has skulls on it, and this one's just white waist. And one of these pore cleaners. So we'll see if it works. It's got a Chinese man on the back. Maybe it's a woman. I don't know. I don't assume gender or something. Whatever the new terminology is for these days. I just can't wait to use it and suck everything on my face. And that's all I bought. It definitely was not worth $200 because there's only like 3 shirts I liked. Well, okay, I like the cover up. I like both cover ups and I like the swimsuit. And I only liked one of the pairs of shorts. And I liked kind of like the dress, like 1 out of 10, like a 6.5. So if that's all the stuff I like, and you know, the sunglasses feel cheap, by the way, very cheap. So, and they're only, you know, $3, $4, $5 each, but I mean, they feel like nothing. Like, they feel very, very cheap. But they came in super quality cases. Like, this feels like, I don't know, I just bought some Ray-Bans with this case, but I bought these instead. I hope you all have a great night. Stay tuned, follow me, like my comments. I don't know, whatever it is the YouTubers say these days. Sydney out.